Deb with Home Cooking is for the birds. Let's make some pork chops on the grill. We're going to start off by marinating these pork chops in some zesty Italian dressing. I let these marinate for about 4 hours in the refrigerator. You could do this overnight. You could do this in the morning before you leave out for work. As many of you know, I cannot have these because they are pork and I'm allergic to pork and beef because I have the alpha gal syndrome. But my husband, he told me that pork chops are so amazing cooked this way. I imagine they are, but I want you to give this a try and let me know what you think. Once they're finished marinating, if you don't have a grill, you could always do this in the oven, but I'm going to put these on the grill and I'm going to put them on the top rack because they will be much more tender that way and they're not laying on direct heat and we don't want them to get tough on the grill. So we're going to put them on the top rack and we are going to grill these at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes are up, we are going to flip these and we are going to let these grill for another 10 minutes on the other side. So that's 20 minutes at 350 degrees total that we are going to cook these on the grill. Now mine are not thin sliced, but they're not real thick either. So it will depend upon the slice of pork chop that you have, of course, as to how long you grill these. Then we are just going to take these off the grill. At this point, you could sear them on each side on the direct heat, but again, they're just much more tender if you do it this way. And voila, these are ready to be served. My husband really enjoyed these. I hope you do too. Y'all be good.